video. Okay. Drop ceiling. Okay. We'll be doing this drop ceiling. It's approximately 40 some feet by 30, like 42 by 28, I believe. And we're going to be changing all the lights. There were going to be a drywall ceiling, but it'd be better because of the paraphernalia that's already in the basement that's being used. There won't be no dust, there won't be no plaster. So a drop ceiling is an excellent choice, excellent solution. So we're gonna paint these black, or paint them a different color. I don't know if it'll be black, but black is the most common basement color. And everything else is gonna be drop ceiling. Okay, and so we're gonna put some adhesive on this side for the J channel. Plus the ceiling will be supported by wires. So this will be okay to attach it to there. We don't want to drill no holes in this. This is the main house support beam, and we want it to keep its structural integrity. So we're not going to touch that with no hose. I mean, I'm sure hose wouldn't hurt it none, but every little thing adds up. So we're going to box these out and tile everything else. This one here. Oh, man, I don't know what we're gonna do there. We'll figure it out. That's 5 inches. So yeah, we're gonna do something with that. Maybe we'll box that out also for about 20 feet. Okay, that'll have to be boxed up for 20 feet because we really can't raise that up. We can, but then you'll have drainage problems if you take some slope off that. It's liable to get clogged up. See, I don't even know what that goes to. Does that go to anything? Yep, it goes to something. So yeah, we'll have to keep that intact. You could possibly put a smaller drain pipe, but yeah. Yeah, so we want to just box that out for 20 feet. So we'll have to go with 4 inches. We'll just box that out for that 20 feet. So we have something to nail our J channel to. Okay. That's the scope of this project. And we might stream it live if our clients want us to. That would be no problem. Okay, I think that's about everything I need here. I'm sure that'll be removed since it's not going to really fit in with the LED can lights that we're going to replace these typical cans with. Or I'm going to check and see if we can't leave them and just wire them up. See if we can't get something that can drop down 4 inches. Maybe, I don't know if they have some inserts or not. We'll check. All right, have a blessed day, everybody.